Welcome to Brain Vision.
So, at the boiling point of sulfur, 446 degrees Celsius, 444.6 degrees Celsius, the pressure in a constant gas volume thermometer is 187 torr. Estimate the pressure at the triple point of water and the temperature when the pressure in the thermometer is 118 torr. So we're going to briefly derive the gas thermometer equation because it seems to come out of nowhere in the book, and it would be beneficial to derive it to understand it and then quickly do the question because it doesn't require that much once you understand where it comes from. So starting from the two versions of the ideal gas law, so P1 V1 is equal to N1R nRT. So pressure volume is equal to number of moles times the gas constant times T1. That's equation 1. Equation 2 is P1 V1, P2 even V2 is equal to N2 RT2. Whoops. 1 second. So PVRT2. And that's equation 2. Now, we divide equation 1 by equation 2 to give P1 over P2 dot V1 over V2 is equal to N1 over N2 and times by dotted with T1 over T2. Now, in a constant volume gas thermometer, we have a closed volume. So volume 1 is equal to volume 2 in any fixed state. And similarly, the number of moles is equal on both sides. Hence, we have P1, P2 is equal to T1, T2. Now, what we can say is we can calibrate all our thermometers to the triple point of water. And the triple point of water is given by 273.16 Celsius. So we can say that T1 over the triple point of water, which is 273.16, is equal to the pressure P1 over the pressure at the triple point of water, PTP. Now we can just, because we don't have T1 and T2, we just redenote these, relabel them as T and P, multiply through by 273.16, and we get that T is equal to 273.16 times by the pressure over the pressure at the triple point. And that is the equation for the constant volume gas thermometer. So we're given in the question, we're going to start a new whiteboard for this. So we're given in the question that the temperature is given by 444.6. So we're going to add on, we're to estimate the pressure. So we're going to make pressure the subject of the equation. So we have PTP is equal to is equal to 273.16 times by multiplied by the let's just check this again, check the question. So we have the pressure at the triple point, so we're going to multiply through by the pressure at the triple point and divide through by the temperature. So we have 200, let's get this right. So it's 273.16 times by the pressure over temperature is our estimation. And we are given that the pressure is equal to 187, so our answer will be in torrs as well. So substituting in here that P is equal to 187 and temperature is equal to 446 plus the absolute zero, which is 273.15. 200. So we have temperature is equal to 717.16 equals 717.76. Substituting that all in, we get that PTP is equal to 71. Come on, 71.2 torr. And so for part B, we now have the pressure of the triple point, and we want to calculate the temperature. So we get that T is equal to 273.16 times by 118. So the new pressure, so we're given that, so if we go to slide 1, so thermometer is 118, so we substitute in 118 over 71.2. So this was part A, and part B gives us a temperature of 453 to 3 significant figures Kelvin, which is equal to 180 degrees Celsius. Ooh. No, don't. Silly thing. Sorry. Right, so it's 180 degrees Celsius. Apologies. Done.